Day 3 of walking the Cheviot Hills. I decided to go from College Valley today. Has to be actually one of my favourite walks. You can park at Hethpool for free or pay for a permit from College Valley Estate, which to be honest is sometimes well worth the money if you've walked all weekend like I had and wanted a head start. There's still quite a lot of pockets of deep snow up there on the hills at the moment, so my poles definitely came in handy. The walk up to the summit from Auchope Cairn on a clear day is amazing. Passing Scotsman's Cairn, and the paths are so easy. My route took me up from Mounthooly to the Hen Hole. From the Hen Hole, the path takes you up to Auchope Cairn. The views from here are definitely some of the best views I've seen, taking in the Shale, Windy Gyle and the Border Ridge. Yep, it certainly was deep here. Stand or sit in the peace and quiet with the sun on your face and just the sound of silence is a truly special thing. I spent a lot of time up here and it has certainly helped me a lot over the years. The outdoors and please look after it and yourself.